Hello everybody, my name's Rick McCutcheon and welcome to PartnerTalks. Today I've got a very special guest, Carol Smock. Carol, tell the folks who you are and what do you do?
Thanks, Rick. Carol Smock. I'm currently serving as the Executive Director here at TechFluent.
All right, so TechFluent is top of mind when I start to think about people who do good in our community. So tell everybody about what is TechFluent.
So TechFluent is an organization that helps folks focus on building real-world skills for technical fluency that are needed to survive in today's and tomorrow's workforce. The world is rapidly changing in technology, and our skill sets are required to change faster than ever. And so we're focused on helping people find ways to get that human-centered learning experience as quickly and fluently as possible. And we're collaborating with industry partners to make it happen, finding partners that are building and hiring that we can then place the folks that we train in as soon as possible.
Okay, so let's go back and talk about the people first. Who are you helping?
So primarily our focus is on generally folks that in under-resourced communities. When the organization was founded in 2021 by Liz McCutcheon, the focus was primarily Black, Indigenous, and people of color. That has expanded in recent years as the DEI initiatives have expanded in their focus. So now that mission also encompasses folks that are living in rural communities, folks that have income challenges, education challenges, women, veterans, anyone in an under-resourced community that might struggle to find or might encounter a barrier to employment. Our organization is going to focus on finding a way to help remove that barrier and get them a chance.
So we're trying to make them technical workers within the Microsoft partner community. So
exactly.
Why don't we start with the starting point? Where do you find your people and how do they apply?
The great news is that we collaborate with some wonderful marketing teams that know how to find folks in these struggling communities through mostly economic and workforce development engines, as well as just general marketing initiatives around the communities that are already out there. We've had wonderful success with an organization called Eterna Marketing based in Minnesota. They've been doing a lot of our outreach since the beginning.
Okay, so we find these folks who want to join the tech community, and what do you teach them?
Currently, we're teaching all of the Microsoft business applications from CE to Power Platform, Power BI, and F&O. And in this coming year, we are planning to open up a Business Central initiative in alignment with directions.
I think that's a fantastic idea since Business Central is growing so quickly. So I've met a lot of your graduates, right? And they're very excited people, right? They come out to the shows, the conferences, and they're networking and meeting partners and meeting people from Microsoft, and they're just happy to be part of our community, which I'm sure makes you feel good. But when I see this going on, it makes me feel good too, that there's an organization out there training them. So talk a little bit about, they go through a training process, and then how do we get them into the partner community?
Absolutely. So one of the easiest ways to get them connected to the partner community is through conference attendance and participation. And so it's an untapped area for us to get them exposed to industry partners learning opportunities, as well as just an opportunity to network and kind of mini interviews, if you will. And so getting them out to the conferences is the ideal opportunity for each one of them. When we can't get them out to conferences for interviews or conferences for networking, we like to have the interviews done via mock interview sessions and career coaching via virtual sessions through the program.
Okay. And when do they graduate? Do they graduate in a group, or do they have different dates where they come through?
No, each cohort is a self-contained cohort, so they do graduate as a group. So we've got our 2025 graduates will be graduating around April 7th, and then our 2026 graduates in July.
Okay, excellent. And how do partners get to meet them? Because I met quite a few that are impressive, but there was a couple that were very impressive, and when I turned around, they got jobs. So how do partners meet these impressive people?
Yeah, the best way is to get in touch with me and let me know that you're hiring or thinking about hiring, and I can coordinate interviews for you to meet our individuals one-on-one. Or if you're going to be at a conference, let us know, and we can arrange rapid networking, rapid interviews. We can coordinate sometimes at Summit, at Dynamics Communities Summit. We do a speed networking session. At some of the other conferences, we might host a different type of an event. Just depends on the conference that we're going to be a part of and what type of an event we might set up.
Okay, excellent. And we're going to be in Orlando in just a few weeks at the Directions Conference. So have you been to Directions before?
We have not, and we are excited.
You should be excited. It is a great conference, and it's a lot of the business owners are there. So I think the decision makers for, who you want to get to will be there. But let's talk to what you're working on with Directions around Business Central.
Yeah, we're super excited. It's our first time that we're going to be there. We have a booth, booth E27. So we hope that everyone will stop by and meet us. It'll be myself and one of the students from 2023, I believe. Her name is Blen Kabidi. Blen has I think she studied the F&O curriculum because we had not offered Business Central at that time. But I believe she may be one who is going to come back through our Business Central curriculum when we offer it this time. So we're quite excited to see how she navigates the new curriculum. So I hope everyone will stop by and see us. What we've got going on for that conference, we're going to keep a little bit of it a surprise because we kind of want to make a little bit of a splash. But we do have some excitement on the horizon for everybody at Directions.
So Carol, anything you'd like to share with our partner audience as a closing remark?
Yes, if you are interested in supporting TechFluent, we are benefactors of the Directions Conference this year. So certainly reach out and let us know how you can support us. If you are going to be interested in hiring consultants either later this year or in the new year, please let us know. That will directly impact how large of a cohort we put together for our first Business Central group. The number of consultants we train will be directly related to how many are needed in the space as we get going. So everybody that's interested in supporting, we definitely need to hear from you.
Well, Carol, every Business Central partner that I talk to seems to have, the next 24 months booked up with work. So I'm sure there's going to be a big call out to you about we need more professionals in the space.
I sure hope so. We're certainly excited about getting started. We've got a lot of great instructors already dedicating their time and planning to donate hours for teaching, mentoring, and career coaching. So we're quite excited.
Okay, Carol, thanks for your time, and we'll be back to talk to you more about TechFluent and when you have those Business Central graduates ready. So have a great day, and bye for now.